to rise. You lift the night into the day. Your grace lights every way. The heavens open wide, your glory deep inside. Heaven rise, shine in me. Fill this heart, set me free. Every beat, every sound, your love is all around. Heaven rise, let it be your light forever in me. Every moment feels brand new. The stars reflect your truth. The air is filled with holy sound. Your spirit all around. You break the dark, you make me whole. You're the rhythm of my soul. Every wave, every tide moves with you inside. You lift the night into the day. Your grace lights every way. The heavens open wide, your glory deep inside. Heaven rise, shine in me. Fill this heart, set me free. Every beat, every sound, your love is all around. Heaven rise, let it be your light forever in me. Ever in me. You move like fire in the sky. Your spirit lifts me high. Every chain is torn apart. You're the rhythm in my heart. Let your kingdom fill the earth. Remind us what we're worth. We'll sing with all our lives until heaven Your glory moves like waves. Forever you reign. The ocean dances in your light. Your love reflects so pure, so bright. Every breeze that fills the air reminds me you are there. The sky is painted by your grace. Your glory fills this holy place. I feel your presence endlessly flowing over me. You move like water through my soul. You make the broken whole. Your mercy pulls me in and starts again. Your glorious way. so clear. Every heartbeat, every prayer, I know that you are there. You move like water through my soul. You make the broken whole. Your mercy pulls me in and starts again. Your glorious ways are washing over, filling hearts with peace and wonder. Every beat, every sound, your spirit's all around. Your glorious ways, I'm diving deeper in your love. I'm growing nearer, forever you will reign. In glorious ways, you lift me higher through ocean fire. Your voice calls out my name, forever you remain. Let your glory flow tonight across the endless light. Every shore will praise your glorious Your glorious ways are washing over, filling hearts with peace and wonder. Every beat, every sound, your spirit's all around. Your glorious ways, I'm diving deeper in your love. I'm growing nearer, forever you will reign. In glorious ways, glorious ways, forever you reign. Your glory remains. You bring the dawn, my days of light. The morning breaks, the sky turns gold. Your promises unfold. Every breath, a brand new start. Your love ignites my heart. The ocean glows, the waves are calm. Your spirit sings a song. Every sunrise calls my name. Your mercy stays the same. You lift the shadows from my soul. Your light makes me whole. Through every rise, through every fall, you're Lord of all. In these days of light, your love shines bright. Every heartbeat, every dream flows from all you've redeemed. You fill my soul with fire. Your grace takes me higher. You are my joy, my side. My endless days of The wind is soft, the world is new. My heart belongs to you. Every color, every sound, your glory all around. I see your light in every face, a world alive with grace. Your peace is rising like the sea. Forever you're with me. Your presence wakes my soul. Your joy makes me whole. In every song I sing, I feel your spirit swing. In these days of light, your love shines bright. Every heartbeat, every dream flows from all you redeem. You fill my soul with fire. to light. Your whisper lights my way. In the calm I stay. In the stillness of the night, your love becomes my sight. Every breath I hear you near. Your peace is crystal clear. The stars are shining high above, reminding me of endless love. Every fear begins to fade. Your light is softly made. You speak so quietly, yet it's enough for me. Your grace moves like the tide. Your whisper is my guide. Whisper light, you're all I see, moving gently over me. In the silence, in the sound, your presence wraps around every moment, every night. You fill my soul with endless light. You are my peace, my sight, whisper light. Oh, whisper Holy silicone sun, and music carries me along. Every shadow disappears when your voice draws near. Your love's the glow inside my chest, the calming on my unrest. Every wave that hits the shore speaks of love once more. You move like wind through open air. I feel you everywhere. Your spirit flows inside my heart, where peace and worship start. Whisper light, you're all I see, moving gently over me. In the silence, in the sound, your presence wraps around every moment, every night. You fill my soul with endless light. You are my peace, my sight, my whisper light. Your voice, it calms my fear. Your presence draws me near, even when I can't see. You're shining over me. Your light moves soft and slow through every heart that knows. Forever I will stay in your gentle way. Whisper light, you're all I see, moving gently over me. In the silence, in the sound, your presence wraps around. Whisper light, your river shine, your love divine. You hold my heart, even in the dark. The night is still, the stars are high. Your love is written in the sky. In the quiet, you are near. Your voice, the peace I hear. When I'm lost, you call my name. Through every fear and flame, you're the calm within the storm. My shelter, safe and warm. You move inside my soul. Your grace makes me whole. In every rise and fall, you're the Lord of all. Hold my heart, don't let it go. Your love's the only truth I know. Every breath, every part, you live inside my heart. Your peace, it never fades away. You're my light, my way. Forever where you are. Hold my heart. Hold my heart. Your presence like the morning rain, healing every pain. I rest inside your endless grace. I see your holy face. Every tear becomes release. Every whisper brings me peace. In your hands I'm finally free. You are all I need. You move inside my soul. Your love makes me whole. You lift me when I fall. You're the Lord of all. Hold my heart, don't let it go. Your love's the only truth I know. Every breath, every part, you live inside my heart. Your peace, it never fades away. You're my light, my way. Forever where you are. Hold my heart. You are the song I sing, the light in everything. Even when the night is long, your grace keeps me strong. Your hands, they guide my soul. Your mercy makes me whole. Forever I'll belong to you, my only song. The echo of heaven calls in the silence of it all. Beneath the stars I hear you speak. Your whisper strong and sweet in me. Every wave that hits the shore sings a grace I can't ignore. The night is still, the world is wide. Your spirit flows like the tide. In every sound I hear your name. Forever you remain. You move through clouds and air. I feel you everywhere. In every breath I take, your peace begins to wake. Echo of heaven in my soul, calling me to be whole. Every heartbeat, every tone, I know I'm not alone. Echo of heaven, pure and white. Your spirit fills the night. Forever I will be where heaven echoes free. Echo Your light reflects across the sea. You breathe eternity. Every star that shines above reminds me of your love. The darkness fades, your peace remains. You break the heavy chains. Every moment, every sigh, you lift my spirit high. You move through clouds and air. I feel you everywhere. In every breath I take, your peace begins to wake. Echo of heaven in my soul, calling me to be whole. Every heartbeat, every tone, I know I'm not alone. Echo of heaven, pure and white. Your spirit fills the night. Forever I will be where heaven echoes free. You're the song beyond the stars, the light within our scars. Every voice and every sound, in you my peace is found. Let your glory fill the skies. Let your name arise. All creation sings the echo that you breathe. Echo Echo of heaven in my soul, calling me to be whole. Every heartbeat, every tone, I know I'm not alone. Echo of heaven, pure and white. Your spirit fills the night. Forever I will be where heaven echoes free. Echo of heaven, forever you reign. Echo of heaven. Faithful sky, your love will rise. The morning light paints the sea. Your mercy shining down on me. Every wave, every tide whispers grace I can't hide. You've carried me through every storm. Your hands have kept me warm. Now I see as the dawn appears. Your peace dries all my tears. Your peace dries all my tears. You lift me high above the night. Your joy becomes my sight. With every step, with every breath, I live in faithfulness. Thankful skies above me glow. Your love's the light I know. Every heartbeat, every sigh is worship to the sky. Thankful skies, I lift my hands to praise what you have planned. Forever I'll testify under thankful skies. Thankful skies, your love will rise. The golden breeze, it sings your name. Forever you remain. Your spirit dances in the air. I feel you everywhere. You turn the ordinary day into your holy way. Every second that I live is love you freely give. You lift me high above the night. Your joy becomes my sight. With every step, with every breath, I live in faithfulness. Thankful skies above me glow. Your love's the light I know. Every heartbeat, every sigh is worship to the sky. Thankful skies, I lift my hands to praise what you have planned. Forever I'll testify under thankful skies. You're the dawn that never fades, the light my soul invades. Your glory fills my space. Your love my hiding place. Forever I will sing to my Savior, my King. Every color in the sky reflects your life divine. Thankful sky, you love me well. Thankful sky, your love will rise. Forever thankful skies. The dawn is breaking, skies of gold. Your love's a story still untold. Every tear has washed away. Your mercy lights my day. The ocean sings, the winds reply. Your spirit lifts me high. Every breath begins anew. I rise again in you. Through every shadow, through the pain, your hope remains the same. You turn my night to day. You lead me on your way. I rise in grace, I'm not With you I still belong. Oh, the world awakes, my heart is free. Your spirit moves in me. Every sunrise paints your face. I live in your embrace. When the rain begins to fall, I'll trust you through it all. Your hand will guide my way through every brand new day. I rise in grace, I'm not the same. Your love has healed my pain. You breathe in me, you make me whole. Your light restores my soul. Every step, every place, I'm covered in your grace. Forever I'll proclaim, I rise in grace. You lift me up from where I've been. Your mercy pulls me in. You shine through every broken